The sequence function in Google Sheets is kind of fun to play with. I saw a video on Threads that talked about sequence in Excel, and I wanted to try it on Google Sheets. So to make a row like this, here's the formula. So that would look like sequence. And then the number of rows, we just want 1. And the number of columns, well, we want 10. And we'll start at 1, and we'll step by 1. And that's going to give us 1 to 10. And if we want to go backwards, we can do something similar. We want 1 row, 10 columns. This time we'll start at 10, and this time we'll step minus 1. And that will go in reverse. If we want something a little bit fancier, I can do sequence. And the number of rows will be 2 and 2 columns. And we'll start at 1 and we'll step by 1. Oh. And if you want 3 columns, it will look like that. If I want a single column, I can do this time 5 rows and 1 column, and I can start at 1 or 0 and step by 1, and then it gives me a single column with these. I can't really think of too many use cases for this sequence function, but if I wanted to quickly do like 100 numbers, this is probably the formula to do it.